everyone, this is Joanne for the Hip Kit Club. How are you today? Today I'm coming to you with the mood board challenge in the Hip Kit Club Facebook group, and I wanted to take a moment and just explain how you can use a mood board to inspire yourself and your layout, because a lot of people are like, I don't know what to do with this. Well, here's a couple suggestions. So beautiful photos are always found in the mood board to inspire you. So let's just take a look, okay? So right here we have some tulips, beautiful, and that's in the nice pink color. So that can inspire you to use florals on your layout, and you're done. The mood board has inspired you. It's whatever your eye catches from these beautiful photos that makes you think, oh, I want to put photos on my layout that florals would look really pretty with. And then here is a camera. And now we're bringing in this beautiful teal blue color, and you can say, oh, I have this awesome piece of ephemera that is a camera that I want to use on my layout. And then over here are some fans, handmade fans. You can make handmade fans and put those on your layout if you want to. Here's a typewriter. That can mean anything. You can document your favorite book. You can use pattern paper that has text print on it. Anything like that. So grab a piece of ephemera from the kits. There's a typewriter. This has inspired you, and you're all set with that too. We have hearts. Valentine's Day, that can inspire you. Pink, blue, purple, yellow is found in here. You can mix all those colors together. Here is a beautiful pink door with a bike and some balloons, and that can say, hey, I want to put a bicycle on my layout. I want to use balloons because I want to document my daughter's birthday party. Spring. This can inspire you to put birds on a layout, put a banner on your layout, or to simply document something to do with spring. Here are pencils that can inspire you to document a school photo, because there's pencils here. This is gorgeous. I love this. It's a paintbrush with flowers coming out of it. You could take a paintbrush cut file or hand draw one yourself and have some florals come out of it with your photos, and then you are all inspired. Or you don't even have to get that detailed. You can look at this and say, I like these colors. That's the colors I'm going to use on my layout, and then do whatever your eye tells you to do with those colors. That's all that a mood board is there for, is just to inspire you and catch your eye and get you started on your layout. So this is what I came up with for the mood board. Now let's look at it. I have pink. Is it a light pink? No, it's not, but it's still a pinky mauve color, so it's good. It's pink, okay? And then I've got florals in my papers, and then here are the hearts. I've got hearts on this paper here. So I'm just using a bunch of different items from this to inspire my layout. So to save some time, I put this together. So this is all February 2024 Hip Kits. They're absolutely gorgeous. I love this paper. I took a piece of white cardstock, and then I ripped the white cardstock, tuck this paper behind it, and then use some of the Hip Kit Club cardstock and made just a little thin border here and here, just to go ahead and break up the two patterns, okay? I think this color is absolutely beautiful. I love it. And then when I had an extra little piece of paper from tucking this behind there, I ripped it and went ahead and put it along the bottom here. I just can't get over these gorgeous colors. I want to show you my photos. My great niece, super cute. That smile, look at, and she's holding her little bear. Oops, sorry, glare. Isn't that cute? Just adorable. So you can put your photos any way you want to. You can put them like this. You can spread them apart and put something in the middle. You can put them to the right. You can put them to the left. I'm going to put them to the left over here like this. And in the kit, it comes with these really adorable pockets. And that the mood board inspired me to use this pocket because instead of a paintbrush with florals popping out of it, we'll just use a pocket with florals popping out of it. So that inspired me to use that. This is a chipboard tag, which I think I'm going to use, and I'm just going to cut it. And I want to have it come at an angle, so I'll go ahead and cut it at an angle. I think, let me see. No, I want to take off a little bit more. And then go ahead and stick that in there, maybe just a little bit more. You got to keep trying until you get it right. All right, perfect. And I just want it tilted to the side, and I think we'll put a little twine or something in there. And then this is a beautiful piece of ephemera from the kits, which I totally love. It was one of my favorite pieces of ephemera, and I didn't want to tuck it in there and waste it, so I cut it right in half because then I can use it twice. So now it looks like I have 2 florals. So we're going to do that, and then I want to make sure it stays within the borders of the pocket so it looks like it's coming out. All right, so let's go ahead and get this stuck down. I'll use glue. So about here is where I'm going to want that. I'll put some glue on the bottom, but not on the top because I want to see about getting some twine in there. So we'll just tilt it to the side, and I want to make sure that I can see only one piece of paper through the whole of the tag. I don't like it when I can see half pink, half white. It's just the thing I have. And then I think we're going to need some foam squares because this is popped up here. So I want to pop up the florals as well. All right, let's put some up here. I think just on this one probably won't need it because it'll be resting on the chipboard tag. Okay, if I can get the back off. Okay, perfect. So we'll just tuck that right into the pocket. I think these little pockets are just adorable. I love them. Okay, and then this one we'll just use some glue. Put some glue right here on the back and tuck it in. I want to put this behind that. And again, making sure it stays within the borders of the pocket. Okay guys, we are ready to put the final touches on this, and I went ahead and put my title down using the alphas from the kit. They are so beautiful. I wanted to bring in a little bit more of that blue, so my title is That Smile Is ... Pure Joy. I love that. And it's bringing in some of the blue from the mood board, which I also love. All right, guys, I pulled out the sticker sheet, 6x12 sticker sheet of florals. Who doesn't want one of those? And I picked this dark blue one to match with that. And I just think that there was a little bit of an empty spot there. And then there are leaves that match this. So I'm wondering if I can get some of these in. Let's do 2 different colors. And then that will refer back to the mood board with the leaves on the tulips there. So I don't know if this is going to look good or if I'm going to keep it, but you're never going to know unless you try, right? So let's do this and then sneak it underneath this. So this floral has some leaves as well. Okay, a little tricky getting things in sometimes. Just peeking out a little bit. Okay. Not too bad. Okay, good. All right, now the next thing I want to do is put down some butterflies, and this is fussy cut from one of the pattern papers that come with the kit, and I felt really bad cutting up that pattern paper, but I really wanted these butterflies, so I went ahead and did that. And I think I'm going to put them down, maybe something like that. And then referring back to the mood board again, here's this beautiful camera. That camera is so cool. The chipboard pack has a camera in it. It's got all the colors we need, and it says, "Snap, you are amazing. P.S. Yes, you are." This has a lot of free space in the corner here. I might go with this option, I think. It just looks really cute there. And it's right next to her, so we definitely know that it's referring to her because it's right there. We are almost all done. I have the butterflies all adhered down now, and I just stenciled in some super cute little butterfly trails at the end of each one of them. So let's see. I have the amazing puffy stickers. I don't know anybody else besides the amazing Hip Kit Club that does 6x12 puffy sticker sheets. Oh my goodness gracious. So let's look and see what we got here. Ooh, this heart is really pretty. I like it with the pink and white stripe. It looks like the paper in the kit, and then it's got the black or maybe navy dotted heart on the inside. Can we get this in here? Oh, that's cute. I have that sticking out of my little pocket. And ooh, look what I just found from the mood board. Here's a banner. There's a banner in the puffy stickers. Let's put this somewheres. That would be kind of cute. Oh, let's see about coming off this right here. Put that on the corner of the photo here, and then over to the butterfly, and then just kind of tuck it right there. And then we have to look at the ombre glitter hearts. These are so, so pretty. Oops, got one stuck there. These are awesome. I'll go like this. No glitter residue whatsoever, which is amazing. I love it. Maybe just a couple. Which ones do I want to use though? Maybe these ones right, the darker pink to go with this paper. That would be adorable. Let me see here. Maybe just put a couple. If I put one there, I'm going to want a teeny one next to it. Maybe I can take a lighter pink one too. Just to use some. Let's just take and get a little teeny one up here somewheres. I think. Or let's put a little one over here next to the camera. And then I'm wondering, how about this one up here somewheres? Yeah, I think I'd rather have that here instead of this leaf. So I'll just put this leaf back on the sticker sheet. Okay, and I think that we're good. So let's go back to the mood board again. I hope this inspired you. So again, whatever catches your eye on a mood board, that's what you go with. So we have the paintbrush. We used a pocket instead and had flowers and things coming out of it. We have hearts all over the place, and we have flowers. We have pink, we have green, we have a camera, and we have a banner, and this is a spring layout, and all these beautiful colors, lots of hearts. Perfect. So this was a lot of inspiration for me. So again, this is posted in the Hip Kit Club Facebook group, and all you have to do is be inspired by it, design a layout, and post a picture of your layout in the thread for the March Sketch Challenge. And then you could win a $25 gift certificate to the shop. Isn't that fantastic? I love that. This paper is gorgeous. I thank you so much for stopping by, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel and the Hip Kit Club YouTube channel, and check out the Facebook group and enter the challenge. Okay, there's also a sketch challenge that also has a $25 gift certificate up for grabs, so be sure to come on over and participate. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a fabulous day.